Do you know what fish depletion is? Fish depletion is when fish slowly become commercially extinct due to ocean threats and problems. The main three are pollution, overfishing, and climate change. Today, we will be talking about one of these threats, pollution. Hayden and Olivia will be sharing some facts about pollution and how it affects the ocean.
Fact 1. The size of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, or GP for short, is 10 million square miles, which is larger than the USA. Fact 2. There is a big chance that the plastic fish eat can get into our food due to interconnectivity. Fact 3. 36 billion water bottles that could be recycled are thrown out instead. Fact 4. There are now many areas of the ocean that have become dead, around 400. Fact 5. 80% of marine pollution comes from the land. And now to Olivia to Fact 6.
Fact 6. Oil gets dumped in the ocean by accident because of tankers. No one wants to get smaller tankers to fix the problem because it would cost too much. Fact 7. Fish ingest 12,000 to 24,000 little beads of plastic each year. Fact 8. Only 7% of plastic is recycled in the US. The other 93% is thrown out and most commonly ends up in the ocean. Fact 9. Over 1 million seabirds and 100,000 sea mammals are killed this year by pollution. Fact 10. The GP is so large that it is unable to be fully removed.
We will now be answering interview questions about fish depletion.
The first question is, do you believe that fish depletion is an issue now that you research?
I think it's an issue because the fish depletion will affect us in interconnectivity.
Yes, because if you go into the ocean present day, you will see not a lot of fish and sea life. But if you went into the ocean 20 years ago, you will see much more sea life.
The second question is, do you wish to help the problem and why?
I would like to help the problem because it will affect us in about 20 to 25 years.
Yes, because eventually it will affect everyone, every form of life on Earth.
The third and final question is, do you want to teach people about this issue and how will you teach them?
I would like to teach people about this issue by making a website and putting facts on it about fish depletion.
I would like to teach people about it by making a video explaining why we should care.
We will now give you some ideas so you can help this issue.
You could eliminate plastic bags, straws, and other plastics.
Recycle anything that you can. This can and will make a difference.
Try to reuse things that you can instead of throwing them out.
Walk instead of using motor vehicles or ride a bike.
Share awareness about fish depletion and pollution.
We hope you enjoy our fish depletion podcast. After listening to it, hopefully you have learned something valuable about fish depletion and that your opinion on this problem has changed. And remember, be part of the solution, not part of the pollution.